Make your own wee foxy desk buddy in less than 5 minutes with this quick tutorial. These little guys are so cute and can brighten up all corners of your home. Here's how to create one of your very own. Start with a square piece of paper about 9 by 9 centimeters. Rotate it into a diamond shape, then fold the bottom corner up to meet the top corner, like so. Next, take the 2 bottom corners and fold them up to the top point as well. Turn your paper over, then fold it in half along the centre. You should now have a small triangle, nice and simple. Now you want to hold the triangle so that on the top right corner you have the 3 folds of paper. Lay your triangle flat on the table and pull back the top 2 folds, flattening them at an angle. These will become the 2 fox ears. But we have an extra fold here, which you can move back into the middle and push down with your finger to create the face. Now we just need the tail, which acts as a support to help the fox to stand. Lift the corner here and fold it so it's flush with the bottom edge. And that's it, ready for decorating. Colour and paint your little fox friend in any way you wish. You can also use coloured paper to create the fox and leave it plain, as you can still tell what it is without adding a face. But I just think it's fun to add in some detailing. They're so quick and easy to make that you can try lots of different styles. So they can all have different personalities. For this one, I folded the point of the nose up and drew a little cheeky tongue. Where will you keep your little foxy friend? Let me know down in the comments and have fun creating. Thanks for watching!